Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change country or location on Indeed.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Indeed, just follow the on-screen instructions. These are your options to create your account, and from there, you're good to go. Now, changing your country or location on Indeed.com can significantly impact your job search and career opportunities because by setting your location to a specific country or city, you'll see job listings that are relevant to that area, increasing your chances of finding suitable employment. Of course, employers often target local candidates. Changing your location ensures you're visible to employers looking for candidates in that region. Right, so it's a very straightforward process. You can also do this on the mobile app. All right, all I have to do is hover to the profile icon setting here, click on it, and from here, all I have to do is click on profile. All right, I'm gonna click on that. Now, once you are inside your profile, all I have to do is you see the forward arrow here, just click on this option. Now from here, as you can see, these are your contact information. All right, now what I need you to do is, now as you can see, this is going to be your contact information, and location is just right here at the a little bit of bottom part. Now, for you to be able to change your location or country, all you have to do is click on the change option here. It's the same thing when you do that on your mobile device. All right, click on change. Now, when you click on change, the change is disappeared and the country has its own different drop-down menu. And from here, just choose the countries. For example, you relocated, right? You might want to click on, for example, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, and a lot more, right? And from there, all I have to do is click on save. And basically, that's how you change country or location in Indeed. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.